Are you tired of Counter-Strike 2 lagging, stuttering, or dropping FPS on your PC? In today's video, I'm going to show you the best CS2 FPS Boost and Fix FPS Drops guide. These settings will instantly fix lag, remove stutters, and give you the smoothest experience possible even on low-end PCs. So stick with me till the end so you don't miss a single tweak. Let's get started. GearUp Booster is one of the best programs for optimization of your ping while you're playing Roblox. Using a wired or wireless connection, get this paid program for free from my description and enjoy your game with lower ping. Step 1. Optimize Windows for best performance for CS2. To help Windows run better while playing CS2, we need to turn off some visual effects that use your CPU and RAM. First, click the Windows search bar and type "Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows." Click on the result that appears. A window named Performance Options will open. In this window, select the option that says "Adjust for best performance." This option will turn off all the fancy visual effects to make your PC run faster. If you still want things to look a little better, you can turn these two settings back on. Smooth edges of screen fonts. This makes text easier to read. Show thumbnails instead of icons. This shows small previews of images and videos instead of plain icons. Once you've picked your settings, click Apply to save them. Now go to the Advanced tab in the same window. Under Processor Scheduling, choose Adjust for best performance of programs. This will give more CPU power to programs like CS2 instead of background apps. Then click OK to save and close everything. These changes will help your computer run faster, reduce lag, and make CS2 load and perform much better. Step 2. Use registry tweaks to improve CPU and GPU. You can get all the files in one pack. The link is in the description of this video. Now we are going to change some hidden settings in the Windows registry. These settings control how your CPU and GPU behave. When you adjust them the right way, they can help your games run faster, smoother, and with fewer lag spikes. These registry tweaks are made to improve loading times, prevent FPS drops, and increase stability when playing demanding games like CS2. Step 3. Boost CPU performance by unlocking all processors for CS2. You can get all the files in one pack. The link is in the description of this video. In this step, we are going to make sure your CPU uses all of its cores to give maximum performance while playing CS2. For this, we'll use a tool called ParkControl. First, download and install ParkControl on your PC. After installation, open the program. Inside ParkControl, look for the section that lets you choose a power plan. Choose Bitsum Highest Performance. This will make sure your CPU is always running at full power. Now change the following settings. Parking AC, set to 100% and disable it. Parking DC, set to 100% and disable it. Frequency Scaling AC, set to 100% and disable it. Frequency Scaling DC, set to 100% and disable it. Next, look for a setting called Bitsum Dynamic Boost and make sure it is turned on. This setting will turn off unused CPU threads when you're doing light tasks like watching videos, and turn them back on when you're gaming to give you full performance. Then open Windows Power Options and choose Bitsum Highest Performance as your active plan. Make sure that the CPU parking and frequency scaling options are all set to 100% for both AC, when plugged in, and DC on battery. When you're done, click Make Active, then click Apply to save everything. This will allow your CPU to work at full power when running CS2 or other heavy programs. GearUp Booster is one of the best programs for optimization of your ping while you're playing Roblox. Using a wired or wireless connection, get this paid program for free from my description and enjoy your game with lower ping. Step 4. Optimize your GPU using MSI Afterburner for CS2. You can get all the files in one pack. The link is in the description of this video. Now we will make your graphics card run better using a tool called MSI Afterburner. First, go back to your Optimization Tools folder and install MSI Afterburner. After installation, open the program. On the main screen, you'll see sliders for different settings. Start by increasing power limit and temperature limit to their maximum values. Do not change the core voltage. leave that as it is. Next, slowly increase the memory clock by small steps of 20. For example, if it starts at 0, change it to 20, then 40, and so on. After each increase, test CS2 to make sure the game is still running well. If everything works fine, you can continue increasing a bit more. Once you find the best stable setting, click Apply to save your changes. This helps your GPU work better and gives you smoother FPS in CS2. Step 5. Free up RAM using ISLC for SATA 2. You can get all the files in one pack. The link is in the description of this video. To improve RAM usage, we will use a tool called ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. This tool clears memory that's not being used and gives more RAM to your game. First, open the ISLC program. At the top, you will see your total system memory in megabytes. Look for the box that says free memory is lower than, and enter a number that is half your total RAM. For example, if your total RAM is 32,000 megabytes, type 16,000. If your total RAM is 16,000 megabytes, type 8,000. Next, tick these two boxes. Start ISLC minimized to make it run quietly in the background. Launch ISLC on user logon, so it starts automatically when your PC turns on. On the right side, turn on timer resolution and set it to 0.50. Then set the polling rate to 1000. If your system feels laggy, you can try changing it to 10,000. After that, click Stop, then click Start, and finally click Purge Standby List. This will free up unused memory and help CS2 run much smoother. GearUp Booster is one of the best programs for optimization of your ping while you're playing Roblox. Using a wired or wireless connection, get this paid program for free from my description and enjoy your game with lower ping. Step 6. Remove telemetry for better privacy and performance. You can get all the files in one pack. The link is in the description of this video. Windows has background services called telemetry that collect data and slow down your system. To turn them off and boost both privacy and performance, after downloading, open the program. Click on Apply Only Recommended Settings to make safe changes. If the tool asks you to make a restore point, you can skip it, since we already created one before. Some small features might stop working after disabling telemetry, like clipboard history or storage sense. If anything stops working the way you like, just click Undo All Changes in the tool to go back. Once you're happy with the settings, check the box that says Do not show this message again, and click OK. Your PC will now have fewer background tasks and will run CS2 with better performance. Step 7. Optimize CS2 using Storage Sense settings. Open System Settings and type Storage Sense into the search bar. Click the result and turn Storage Sense on. This tool will automatically remove temporary and junk files that are not needed. Click on Configure Cleanup Schedules and change the settings to Run Every Day. Delete files in the recycle bin after 14 days. These settings help free up space and keep your computer clean. After setting everything, click Run Storage Sense now to clean up your system right away. Doing this regularly will keep your PC light and make sure CS2 runs better and smoother. If this CS2 FPS Boost guide helped you fix lag, reduce stutters, lower ping, and improve your performance, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful optimization tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.